welcome to Hardy Classics, and today I've got another pre-war classic car for sale. Today I've got this absolutely gorgeous Morris 8 Tourer. This is a two-seater version. They do a 2 and a 4, and this is the 2. We've just sold a 4, but it wasn't in the condition that this is in. This car is in superb condition, having a restoration in 2017. I know it's quite a while away, but it was put in storage after the restoration and it is in fantastic condition. I'll do a little walk around, I'll show you around the car, and we'll start from there. Right, we'll go to the front of the car. Starting at the very front of the car, behind this lovely brass radiator, there's a brand new radiator which we fitted last week actually. Had a brand new radiator made and fitted, so it keeps it nice and cool. Moving down, bodywork, paintwork is superb on this car. There is a little tiny bit of orange peel on there, but I don't think it's been polished since it was sprayed. It's obviously had a full respray. Moving down the car, the handles, the chrome handles are nice. The running boards have been renewed. All the tyres are brand new. Even the spare's brand new. It's still got the little bobbles on the back. Little luggage rack there for your picnic basket. Again, I'm finding it hard to pick a fault, but you can pick a fault with any car, but I'm finding it hard to pick one with this. Inside, have a look. There's the interior. New carpets, new seats, a brand new vinyl hood, and there's some side screens in there at the back. I've never had them fitted. Under the bonnet, there you go, nice and clean there. It's running on 6 volt, the original 6 volt electrics. It's got a new battery. We've done a couple of little bits and bobs to it, changed the oil and bits and pieces. The original engine is mounted to a 4-speed gearbox, so it's had that conversion to the 4-speed, and it makes an absolute whole world of difference to the car. The car can now be driven in modernish traffic. I wouldn't be taking it down the motorway or anything silly like that, but you can keep up with modern traffic. So there you have it, really. Morris Tourer. Really, really nice example. Probably one of the nicest examples out there. And again, great value for money. So if you like these videos or any of the videos that we do, please like and subscribe. Put a thumbs up on our YouTube channel. It really does help, and it really does want to make me go out there, buy some fantastic, interesting cars and automobilia, and show you some fantastic places. Thanks now. Bye-bye.